Want to make fitness a lifelong habit? Consider the mantra of training for life, living a connected life. This isn't just a training philosophy, it's a holistic lifestyle identity. Through connected training ideals, you'll prepare your body for real-life activities, building strength and endurance. Imagine playing with your children, working out and climbing stairs with ease. Living without pain or restriction, think positively and embracing life challenges as opportunities. You'll develop resilience and stay motivated. Focus on moving effectively, eating well, and taking control of your life through thought and emotion, your own leader. And it's not just about workouts. Training for Life teaches you to adopt sustainable habits for lifelong wellness. It's a comprehensive approach that boosts both physical and mental health. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Training for Life movement at Elements4Life. Embrace functional training, positivity, and community. Visit www.elements4life.com.au to start your journey today.